Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. I hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video, an update on Gala. Want us to do a quick video on that. I mean, right now, to be honest, Gala, it's an interesting market structure. It hasn't been particularly bullish for the last couple of days, but yesterday morning we did get some bullish momentum, and purely technically right now Gala is consolidating. All right, so it's moving sideways. You can see, for example, that the EMAs right here are relatively flat. We have a strong support. The ADX is, well, it's not too low, but it's relatively low. So that just technically means that there's not a lot of movement. Excuse me, the camera was shaking like crazy. I bumped my table, or however you call it. But no, so technically Gala is consolidating, but we all know that the market circumstances right now are pretty decent, all right, or at least they're good enough to facilitate some sort of a rally, and the market structure for Gala arguably is also bullish, and we saw a bit of open interest gain for Gala, all right. So there's a ton of things here to get at. So let's talk about it. I mean, first of all, why I think the market structure is bullish, I'll tell you, is for this reason, and I'll draw it for you, and I'll try my best to draw it very, very nicely. But you can see that we had a strong uptrend right here, right? So we had a strong uptrend, and that in the end facilitated a move all the way up to this top right here at around 3.5 cents. All right, so that was well, when was that again? Oh, that's not what I want to do. Let me do this. So big uptrend up to that level last Saturday, very bullish, obviously. So now what you could say is that what we did since that date, when the markets also were a bit choppy, Bitcoin was a bit bearish, is a bullish flag. All right, so a bullish flag basically means that you have an uptrend and that you have a bit of a flag down. That's where the names come from. Where the name comes from. All right, you have a pole and then a flag. If you tilt it a bit, doesn't matter, but that can result in a bullish continuation, and that usually does. All right, now the big question now is this actually a bullish flag, or is the market just getting choppy ahead of Christmas? Don't we have any volume, and is the price just going to move sideways? And that is something I still also am not completely sure about. But the thing is that there is a level which, if Gala breaks above that, I would say that's enough confirmation to assume that Gala is going up higher. And we hit 3.5, that area right there. I would say the next price target, if you historically look at the price, would be right here around like 3.74 cents, maybe. 4 cents is a stretch, but 3.7, 3.8 is definitely possible. So what needs to happen for that? And I think this needs to happen in the next 1 or 2 days, because after that, I think the volume is just going to be so low that we will get volatility and we might even break out, but I'm not sure if I'm going to trust a breakout. All right, so Gala needs to break above 3.25 cents. All right, so 0.0325. If it's able to do that, that's such a major bullish breakout, because this resistance level between 3.15 and 3.25 is very strong. So if it's able to break above that, that's such a strong bullish breakout that then technically I have to assume that that's a continuation of the bullish market structure, and that we're getting back up to 3.5 and then ultimately also to 3.7 and that level at 4 cents. All right, so this is a possibility. I'd say it definitely is realistic, because the open interest, like I said, is also going up, so there is momentum. Bitcoin is again putting in a green candle, which I didn't expect, but it's the truth. So we'll have to wait for that, all right? And like I said, Gala has to do this quick. Next 48 hours has to do that. If it's not able to break above that, and if it's dropping back down to 2.9 cents and 2.75 cents, then we'll just stay in this consolidation. And then that's it. From that consolidation, eventually, we could still get a bullish breakout later on and down the road. But for now, if it doesn't break above that soon, we're just going to stay relatively flat, I would say. So those are my thoughts. And if you do have any questions, then make sure to let me know down in the comments, down in the pinned comment and the description. You can also find out more about my premium and signal group. Very valuable, but I'll leave that up to you to check out or ask around in the Telegram groups, in the free Telegram groups. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.